Today I'm going to be showing you how to make quick and easy mango lassi. It's quite simple. All you need is equal parts mango and plain yogurt. You're going to have to make sure that your plain yogurt is not sour. In this recipe, I'm using half cup of plain yogurt and half cup of honey mango or a tofu mango. Hope I pronounced that correctly. To this, I'm going to be adding half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. If desired, you may add half a cup of cold water if you don't like it to be too thick. If you hadn't noticed already, I haven't added any sugar. That is because the sugar in the mango is enough for me, but you may add some. And blend. I'm going to add some pre-soaked basil seeds to the bottom of this cup and then add our mango lassi on top. You can use chia seeds, but I had basil seeds on hand, so that's what I'm using. I'm going to put some more on top, then you can give it a good mix and enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Until next time.